Morning student. Today we are taking haloalkanes and haloarenes. So in haloalkanes and haloarenes आज हम लोग इम्पोर्टेंट रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो ये क्वेश्चंस जनरली सीबीएसई एग्ज़ाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं. तो पहला क्वेश्चन हम लोगों का है, इन द CCl bond length in chlorobenzene is shorter than CH3Cl bond in मिथाइल क्लोराइड. सो इसके लिए हम लोग आंसर दे सकते हैं, ड्यू टू पार्शियल डबल बॉन्ड करेक्टर ऑफ CCl bond and in resonating structure we can see that CCl bond acquire partial bond character and due to double bond character it is difficult to break. Question number 2, chloroform is stored in closed dark brown bottle filled up to the neck. So why it's happen? Because it will form poisonous gas due to oxidation in the presence of air and UV light. In this reaction we can see CHCl3 plus O2. In UV light it will form phosgene. Next question is, chlorobenzene is extremely less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. So why this happen? Due to the following reason it is less reactive. First reason we have already discussed, हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. इन क्लोरोबेंजीन CCl bond acquire partial double bond character and due to this it is difficult to break. Reason number 2, generally reason number 2 we can see this is from phenyl cation, and phenyl cation is highly unstable due to absence of resonance. Reason number 3, Cl is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom and it will form a stronger bond, so it is difficult to break. And these are the reasons which are responsible not to take part or not to show the nucleophilic substitution reactions. And last reason, it is benzene is electron rich compound, so nucleophile is not able to approach to benzene ring for nucleophilic substitution reactions. Next question is, alkyl halides are polar but not immiscible with water, not soluble with water, because alkyl halide do not form H bond, so these are not soluble. Next question is, Grignard reagent should be prepared under anhydrous condition. Actually Grignard reagent react with water or moisture to form alkane, so generally it is avoid the presence of moisture. For reactions, RMGX react with water to form RH. Next question is, the presence of NO2 group at ortho position enhance the reactivity of the chlorobenzene towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. We know that NO2 is electron withdrawing group, so it will decrease electron density on benzene ring, therefore it enhances the reactivity. Para-dichlorobenzene has higher melting point than that of ortho or meta para-dichlorobenzene or ortho meta dichlorobenzene. So it is due to because para-dichlorobenzene is symmetric molecule, so it has higher packing efficiency. We can see in the diagram, para-dichlorobenzene, it is symmetric molecules. Next question is, thionyl chloride method is used to prepare for alkyl halide from alcohol. Actually SOCl2 is thionyl chloride, so ROH react with SOCl2 to form SO2 plus HCl plus RaCl, and SO2 is a gaseous product, it is escape out from the reaction mixture. HCl react with pyridine to form compound, therefore we get pure alkyl halide. Next question is, why dextra and levorotatory isomer of butane 2-ols are difficult to separate by fractional distillation method? Actually, dextra and levorotatory are differ in the optical rotation of the lights, so they have almost similar physical property, therefore it is difficult to separate fractional distillation method. Next question number 10. The dipole moment of chlorobenzene is lower than that of the cyclohexyl chloride, and it is due to the resonance in chlorobenzene. The dipole moment of chlorobenzene is less than cyclohexyl chloride. Question number 11 is SN1 reactions are accompanied by racemization in optical active halide. Actually, during the SN1, carbocation is formed and carbocation is planar molecules. So it may attack by nucleophile either side, maybe from lower side, maybe for upper side. Therefore, we get racemic mixture. Thus, next question, it is 12 number. Tertiary butyl bromide has higher boiling point than that of normal butyl bromide, or we can say normal butyl bromide has higher boiling point than tertiary butyl bromide. Actually, branching of molecules decrease the strength of van der Waals force of attraction. Therefore, normal butyl bromide have higher boiling point than tertiary butyl bromide. Next important question is, it is racemic mixture is optically active. It is due to the presence of equimolar amount of D and L form. So it is optically inactive. Butane 1-ol is optically active compound. Why? Actually, butane 1-ol is optically inactive while butane 2-ol is optically active. Why? It is due to the presence of chiral carbon in butane 2-ol. In the diagram, we can see in butane 2-ol, different alkyl groups are attached to the carbon atom, and in case of butane 1-ol, chiral carbon is not there. Therefore, butane 2-ol is optically active. Next important question is, ethyl iodide undergoes SN2 reaction faster than ethyl bromide. Actually, iodide is a best leaving group due to the lesser bond dissociation enthalpy of Ci bond. Therefore, it undergoes SN2 reaction easily. Next question is 16. Although chlorine is electron withdrawing group, yet it is ortho or para directing. Actually, chlorine is electron withdrawing group, but due to the resonance, it will increase electron density on ortho and para position, and due to this reason it is ortho para directing, and we can see in the resonating structure of chlorobenzene also. So higher electron density on ortho para position enhance the reactivity. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.